Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unhide any column in the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select any column which you want to hide. So for example, I want to hide this column. So after that you will see format cell options. So just click on it and you will see hide and unhide options. So just click the hide column. So I will show you how you can unhide these column. So again click on home and you will see format cell options. Again click on it and in the visibility you will see hide and unhide options, and then you will see unhide column at the bottom side. So just click on it so you can see this column again appear. So guys, in this way you can unhide any column. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.